What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. Today we're looking at error code 1603 when installing Killer Performance Suite. This is the software that comes with Killer and Intel networking hardware, and error 1603 is one of the most annoying installation errors out there because it's a Windows installer error that can come from a dozen different places. Let's break it down and get it fixed. Error code 1603 is actually a Microsoft Windows installer error that means a fatal error occurred during installation. It's not specific to Killer software. You can get it with all kinds of installers, but it shows up with Killer Performance Suite pretty frequently because the suite has several components that all need to install in the right order, and if any one of them hits a snag, the whole thing fails with 1603. The most reliable fix is to start with a complete removal of any existing Killer or Intel networking software on your system. Go to Settings, Apps, and uninstall everything related to Killer. Killer Performance Suite, Killer Intelligence Center, Killer Control Center, and any Killer network drivers listed there. After uninstalling all of them, restart your PC. And there you go. That's how you fix Killer Performance Suite error code 1603. If this saved you some time, drop a like on the video. It really helps. Got a question or a different error? Leave it in the comments and I'll do my best to help. Subscribe for more and I'll see you next time. Now, before you reinstall, there's an important step that most guides skip. Open File Explorer and navigate to C, Program Data, Package Cache, and look for any Killer-related folders there. Delete them. Also check C, Program Files, Killer Networking, and delete that folder if it exists. These leftover files can cause the 1603 error even after a normal uninstall. Next, open the Registry editor by pressing Windows plus R and typing Regedit. Navigate to HKey Local Machine, Software, Microsoft, Windows, Current Version, Uninstall, and look for any Killer-related keys. If you find any, delete them. Be careful in the registry and only delete keys you're sure are related to Killer software. After cleaning all of that up, download the latest version of Killer Performance Suite from Intel's support website. It's now maintained by Intel since they acquired Killer. Run the installer as administrator and let it complete. In most cases, after a proper clean sweep like this, the 1603 error doesn't come back. If you still get 1603, check your Windows installer services running. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc, find Windows Installer in the list, and make sure it's running. If it's stopped, right-click and start it. One more thing. If your system has a pending Windows update or a pending restart from a previous update, that can block new installations. Make sure Windows is fully up to date and your system has been restarted before attempting the Killer install again.